In this video we will see how to cancel Netvue subscription. So guys, if you want to cancel the Netvue subscription, so you just follow this video. First of all, cancel via the Netvue web client. So guys, simply go to the Netvue web client and log in into your Netvue account. Then navigate to the protect plan selections and click the subscription and select the plan you want to cancel. Simply go to the subscription detail and click the option of unsubscribe. Another thing is guys, you can cancel via mobile apps. So simply go to your iPhone settings and tap the option of native subscription and select the cancel subscription. For Android user, open the Google Play Store and tap your profile icon, then payment and the subscription. Select your native subscription and tap the option of cancel subscription. After that, how to request a refund. So Netvue generally handle the refund on the case by case basis. Monthly subscription are usually non-refundable, while annual plan may be qualified for the full refund if cancelled within the 7 days of the initial purchase. For cancelling, send an email to the support@native.com with your account detail, order number or the clear explanation for the refund request. Then you can also contact their support team via 24 live chat. Okay, so guys, this is the way that you can do. So guys, thank you.